Cindy,
and Lauren. And today we have BOXY for March. This is March. It's March. BOXY. So, without further ado, I have already cut the tape and let us get into it. I'm super excited about this because...
Card, please.
Oh, I don't want to see it. I see the decor. What's it? That's the... Oh.
Ta-da!
Vacation. How cute.
It's a what is this flower?
Hibiscus. Hibiscus flower. So they're thinking summery vacation theme in advance. Oh, because of spring break maybe? I don't know. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. First impressions look super cool. Okay, let's see what this shiny thing is because it's really pretty.
It's a picture frame.
Pretty vulgar with a little bird picture frame. Make them blush. Blush. That is really, really pretty packaging.
It is pretty.
This is, I don't even know.
This is a company called Pretty Vulgar.
Pretty Vulgar. Let's see. It's almost a perfumey smell. It's light.
It is. It's
vintagey.
Vintage-ish. This blush is $26.
Here's what it looks like on the skin. Very bright blush. Little pop of color, kind of like summery. I mean, it goes with their vacation theme. So that's really, really cute.
It says buildable powder can be worn alone or paired with multi-dimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion.
Interesting. Well, I like it a lot. Really pretty.
It's super cute.
Super, super cute.
Super cute. So how many of you have heard of that company? Vulgar? Pretty Vulgar.
Pretty Vulgar. Pretty. I don't know where the vulgar came from, but it's really pretty. I like it. Let's see.
It's kind of like an oxymoron in a way, because vulgar and pretty are two opposite things.
Pretty Vulgar. Wait, which one is it? Okay, South Main 3-Eye Gel Packs. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area.
Ooh, sounds lovely.
Well, sounds like a spa day to me. Is it from Maine or something? Why is it called Maine? Nope, I think Korea.
South Main Beauty is the name of the company.
Just kidding. I know it's not spelled Maine like the state. It's spelled like hair.
Mane, like hair.
Like a horse's mane.
Under the eye gels.
Let's see what they look like.
$10.
$10.
Yep.
How much was the blush?
26.
26. Woo.
Oh, like a sheet mask.
Oh, like a sheet mask for your under eyes. How interesting. Not really.
Huh. Interesting.
So, interesting. We'll see. I like their coloring. Their skin. Their color's
cute.
Super cute.
I've never used an under eye gel mask.
Neither have I.
Wow.
We have to have a spa day.
Ooh, spa.
Do our nails, put something under our eyes.
Cucumbers and eye gel packs.
Cucumbers and eye gel. Best of both worlds. Okay, what's this?
Don't know.
BelláPierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara. Ooh, I love mascara. Okay, here's what the packaging looks like. And I did not put on mascara today. It's a stay-at-home day for me, so...
Me too.
Let's
no makeup,
put mascara on.
$20.
$20. It better be good mascara.
Ooh, nice wand.
Real bristly, not plasticky. There's the wand. It reminds me of Lancome's packaging. Does it smell?
Nope.
Let's see what it looks like.
Mascara. It smells like mascara. I no longer get these BOXY boxes of any kind. I have done many boxes. I will say I've done Play Box Sephora, BOXY, Glossy Box, So Susan. I've done an Allure. I've had an Allure box. What else?
Well, interesting.
I've had a lot of the boxes. My very favorite box out of all the boxes that I have subscribed to would be in this order: BOXY and Allure. I didn't like the rest of them.
Really?
Because
sometimes I liked Glossy Box, but I felt like it was more hit and miss.
Yeah. Actually, I also liked Sephora's Play by Sephora. They were tiny samples though.
Yeah, that was kind of sad.
But it was kind of cool to get the tiny samples.
Yeah.
To try.
Yeah, it makes you try new things, which is fun. That's like the really fun thing about boxes, is that you'll try something because you get it in your box that you wouldn't just go spend the money for. Like, I wouldn't just go the Pretty Vulgar blush. Like, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Super excited to try it. Would probably never fork over $20 for a blush I had never tried before, though. Now that I have tried it, I might end up doing that. That's what happened to me with the mascara that I buy now by Dulce Cosmetics. I had never even heard of it, but I got it in a boxy charm, and now it's my absolute favorite, and I buy it online. So pretty cool. Well, it looks better on your lashes than it does on mine. On mine, I felt like it was very wispy. But I mean, it's pretty. It gives good separation. She has longer eyelashes than I do, though, so it's gonna look different on hers. Different mascaras work for us. Pretty. Wow.
I like it. I like the way the brush does.
So,
wearability, I don't know about. But it did do a good job.
It did.
It separates the eyelashes very well.
Yes, very separated.
It does not curl, because I can tell from her eyelashes, because she has straight lashes.
Because I have straight eyelashes.
It doesn't curl the lashes.
And it doesn't give volume.
It doesn't give volume.
I think it's funny because it literally says volumizing mascara. No.
It does give, like, if you have another mascara you can throw over it after the length, you get length.
Smudgy smudges.
It smudges. You have smudges too.
Smudge. Oh,
it
man.
Smudges and doesn't give volume, y'all.
First impressions. Fantastic. Well,
first
let's
impressions.
see if it keeps on smudging.
Yeah.
Ooh, what's this? The Vintage Cosmetic Company Smokey Eye Brush Set.
That's cute.
Step 1 for the money. Step 2 for the show. Step 3, go girl go.
Does it say that on the
yeah.
brushes?
Oh, let's see. That's super cute packaging.
It is cute.
I love it. It's vintage style. Kind of like the blush.
It says that it is $23.15.
Ooh, fancy brush.
There is a angle shadow brush, a smudger brush, and a shadow brush. Shadow, angle, and smudge.
Okay. Finally got out of its packaging. It
They
does
do
say that. How cute. Eek. There we go. Super cute. Love it.
That one's almost...
I got a little boogered up. It's okay, it'll straighten out. Well, I like the shape that...
Can I see?
Yeah. I like the shape of them. They seem like a good, nice and compact, but bristly enough that
They're actually really cute.
Are they soft? They do feel soft.
This is a smudger brush, so it's shorter. So
yeah. This would probably even work with MAC Fix Plus on it. This one, where it's shorter.
Let's see. Oh yeah,
because it's more dense.
More dense.
I like it.
I do too. That's super
I
cute.
Blend out my blush on my head. Oh, it did. Look.
Oh, now you put eyeshadow on. Use the Vulgar line.
All right.
Very cool.
Is this something?
Looks like it's something.
White and bubble wrap.
Whoa. Oops.
Okay. So this is our last thing to pull out from our box.
Ooh, this thing is $36.
It's packaged again. It's like unwrapping a present that's wrapped and wrapped and wrapped.
Aww.
BOXY Pure. Let's see here. One
Pure
more
Cosmetics.
Woo! Pure Cosmetics. And then
Plastics on the sides.
Plastic on the sides. They really they're building the suspense for this one with all this packaging.
So far, BelláPierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara, $20. Not so volumizing. Nope. South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels, $10. Haven't tried them. Look kind of fun. The Vintage Cosmetic Company Smokey Eyeshadow Makeup Brush Set, $23.15. Super cute. And then Pretty Vulgar. Make Them Blush. Blush for $26. Super cute packaging.
Okay, let's see. I finally got this thing open.
What is it?
Wow! There goes that plastic thing. It's fine. Ooh, pretty colors. Wow. Okay, what did she get?
She got an eyeshadow palette. It's called the Complexion Authority. Transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature silky smooth ultra mattes are paired with pretty pinks and vibrant blues to lighten the mood.
Ooh, soft.
Then you can layer shimmer shades for a duochrome finish.
Ooh, I like it.
$36. You made out like a bee, man.
Woo. That's neat. I like it. I feel them. They seem like they're soft shades. I just swatched one of the mattes and one of the shimmers. It came off pretty well.
I have no eyeshadow on you. Time to check.
I don't have eyeshadow on either.
I'm gonna play.
Let's see how they go on with fingers.
You know, I have gotten to where I use my finger for my shimmers because
they don't fall out as much that way.
It lays down.
That's pretty. I like that a lot.
It lays down on the eye way better than using flat brush.
Yeah.
Because my beautiful daughter here and my son-in-law got me Matte Fix Plus for Christmas, and I can't use this stuff. I've tried. It turns out
need to show you
hideous.
how.
It turns out pretty bad.
I can do that after this. I'll just show you how to
Here you
use
go.
it. Let's see. You tried the shade Charmer.
Here's Charmer, y'all.
I'll try the shade Alliance. And form an alliance.
With a Charmer.
With a Charmer Alliance.
It's been raining here all morning, and it's still so beautiful. I love springtime.
I love summer. I'm ready for summer.
Our azalea bushes have been flowering, and they are absolutely gorgeous. The lemon trees are starting to get really pretty leaves and a few blooms, which means we're going to have lemons and limes. So, and I made homemade salsa today and used my sage from the garden pot.
Really?
Yes.
Interesting.
So,
All right. Well, there's this one. I like it. It's very pretty.
It is. Elegant.
And it went on really easily.
It did.
We'll see how it wears. I mean, obviously I don't have on eyeshadow primer.
Neither do I.
So ultimate test right
Yes,
there. But it seems smooth. It seems
really,
nice.
really
I like
pretty.
the color variety that they gave, just because they gave us some neutrals, some brown shades, some nice
Bright.
purple, a bright one, and a more neutrally purple.
This BFF looks fun.
Let's watch it. BFFs. You and
BFFs.
me.
Woo-hoo.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's so pretty.
I like that. That's
See,
pretty.
I would think that would make a really pretty liner.
Sure.
Or a
Might.
very edge
What if you just added some?
to the edge.
Not gonna go over very well. This is what am I doing? I literally have brushes next to me. We're gonna take the
Smudger brush.
Go smudger brush and just put it on the very edge and smudge it in.
Go
Woo,
girl.
go girl.
Woo! She's a go girl. Yes. Go girl, go. That is a really pretty color.
I like that. Haha. Without width.
That's really pretty.
Okay, now I have to do it to both sides, so when I look at myself in the passing mirror, I won't be like, what in the world did I do?
You're getting some fallout on your cheek.
Oh yeah, I am, aren't I? Well, at least when you use that color, it's kind of close enough to blush. You probably wouldn't.
It's pretty.
I like it. Alright, well, application is not going so well because I'm doing it in a hurry, but I like it a lot. So pretty colors, super excited about this box. Love it. So we got an eyeshadow, a mascara, a blush, eye gel pack thingies, and brushes. So overall,
Big
lot.
haul.
Big
Very,
box. Super
very
excited about
very
it.
fun box. Way to go,
So
Boxy
fun.
Charm.
Way to go. Love it, Boxy Charm.
Keep it up.
Woohoo!
You're doing a good job.
Yes. So let us know what your favorite thing in this box was. If you get Boxy Charm, if you know of any other new box opening monthly things that we haven't heard of, because I feel like there's always a new one.
I haven't heard of
But,
any,
yeah.
but I haven't been really searching because
They cost money.
I haven't gotten boxes
And
in
they
a
have
while.
a lot of makeup.
That's my thing. I have so much.
But it's fun.
I love trying new things though, so it makes it hard.
I
So
know.
that makes it why see that's why Sephora is little, like sort of, it's $10 a month, but I felt kind of like this is cool because I'm getting to try new things, but sometimes they're just tiny, but
But it's so fun.
The tiny is kind of cool because then I can use it up and bye bye. I can
Oh,
try
now
something
you've
new.
done it. Yeah, that's true.
So
Cool.
but, yeah.
Well, thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you.
Be sure and click subscribe, like our video, share us with your friends, and watch our future videos.
Sure.
If you want to see
Watch
what
our bag
glossy,
videos,
yeah,
even.
I was gonna say if you want to see Glossy Box or So Susan or Boxy
Boxy
Charms,
Charms.
Sephora Play, any of that, go back and watch those videos because
Yes.
they're on there too.
Yes, sometimes some of them are
And-
just me because she was here and I was there, and now I'm
Yeah,
here.
but now
we're
here.
here. So yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
You should be here too on our channel. So I hope you enjoyed our video.
Yep.
And until next time, remember,
You are beautiful.